Why does the Canon video sometimes look amazing and sometimes look completely wrong? It's not the camera, it's the color mode you're using. Today, I'll show you 3 color system inside the Canon R50 V and which one you should actually use. If you're into honest camera reviews and real-world gear tests, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking content every week.
Your selection on my sofa, my bleeding notebook, and a smile that lasts for weeks. I crawl in a cavern, hung like a lantern. Got caught up burning the waiting. Honey, why you gotta be like that? Oh, honey, why you gotta be like that?
Now, this is where most people get excited. These are the built-in color filters on the Canon R50 V. And these are the actually preset you can choose from. You have the Story Teal and Orange, Story Magenta, Story Blue, Pale Tea and Orange, Retro Green, Sepia Tone, Accent Rent, Tasty Warm, Tasty Cool, Bright Amber, Bright White, Clear Light Blue, Clear Purple, and Clear Amber. These are not picture styles, these are creative looks applied directly to your video. They are already color graded inside the camera. If you use this, what you see is what you get. You can't undo it later. These are perfect for quick social media, no editing workflow, creative looks instantly.
Just a step in between me and the door, and all the years before, with a dream in my heart. I see myself standing in the glass. All of a sudden, all these memories are passing, like flowers on a casket. I'm leaving it all behind. Every broken heart and a fresh new start. When I worked so hard, I was falling apart. Every memory is a chance to see that struggles just make up the best parts of me. We hit the gas and we kept it in drive all night. We lit the match and we watched it burn out bright. I never thought it could be so good. I had the time of my life, at the time of my life.
But if you want professional control, don't rely on filters. Shoot clean instead.
That I'd be standing out here all alone.
Filters are fast, but control is better.
To my name.
Now, this is where it becomes pro. This is the custom features. This is not a filter. This controls how your camera records light and colors. For example, you have the Canon 709 ready to use natural colors, best for most users. Next is the Canon Log 3, flat image, low contrast, but gives you more dynamic range, made for color grading. You have the PQ, HDR look, every bright and punchy. You have HLG, hybrid HDR, more dynamic, than normal, easier than vlog.
We can't go back, but the memories we left are just right. I never thought it could be so good. I had the time of my life.
For vlogging in everyday use, picture style portrait or custom pictures like the Canon 709. For cinematic work, Canon Log 3 for color grading.
People that stood in the way, all led to this moment. Nothing could ever replace every scar from the fight to leaving the old behind.
Now you understand all three color modes. No more guessing. If you want, I can show you how to color grade Canon Log in the Final Cut step by step. Just comment below.
We watched it burn out bright. I never thought it could be so good. I had the time of my life, at the time of my life. Yeah, we ran so fast, yeah, we left our shoes untied. We can't go back, but the memories we left are just right. I never thought it could be so good.